Alright, so since this is a budget channel anyway, we try to do budget things lowest cost possible, and I figured the easiest way to get a GPS reader, a speedometer, was to use an old Android phone that I have laying around. You see the screen's cracked, I don't use it anymore. This is a free app off of the Play Store. We're gonna see how this works. While we got the batteries charging for the shredder, I want to talk to you about another project we're going to be starting soon here on the channel, just to mix it up a little bit. You know, I've been playing around this in the background. We're going to try to get this 60 amp ESC and this 4300 kV motor to go into this WL Toys 144001. You can see she's a little dirty right now. I took her to the track. Shout out to Darkside Raceway in Rayford, North Carolina. Everyone's super cool out there, not a hospitality. What we're gonna do, we're gonna try to get this motor into this body. Alright, and not only that, we're gonna try to get rid of this. And we're going to try to get some body posts or something. We're going to try to make this a 14th scale Challenger. This is going to be something that's coming up soon on our channel, guys, if you want to subscribe to see how this turns out later. But right now we're going to get these batteries in the Redcat and take it out. Alright, you can see what we got worked up right here. We got a phone. Just took a little 3M tape I had laying around. The kind of stuff you use to glue body panels on cars or stuff like that. Any kind of two-sided tape. I don't suggest you do this, because this could end very ugly. The phone could be destroyed. But I don't plan on jumping any hills or anything right now. We're just going in speed run, so hopefully it'll last long enough to give us a good speed reading. Alright, you can see right now 8 miles per hour is where it maxed out at. That's just driving around a little bit to make sure it's registered. So we're going to see what she'll do. Oh, I forgot to put the clips on. Alright, so I was rushing and forgot the body clips. Top speed 39 miles per hour. And right now she's still all stock. Let me get the body clips and let's try this again. Alright, should be going right now. Top speed 5. Alright, it's registered. What do we get? 39. Alright, we're gonna try one more time, and if it's 39, we know that's it. Alright, so let's go back through and start it back over one more time. Register. Alright, she's ready to go. We can tell it's maxing out, like, we got plenty of room to go faster here. It ain't like you're running out of space. what we got. Let's see what we got. And 39 miles per hour with all of that. So stop. The way we got it right now, we're not getting any faster than 39. So everything from here is gonna be up, guys.